Not training dogs properly can result in behavioral issues, safety concerns, limited socialization, strained owner-dog relationships, and overall dissatisfaction with dog ownership. In today's video, you will discover how to train your dog properly, the ultimate guide to train your dog.
Welcome to PetPal, your pet-loving hub.
1. Fundamentals of command instruction. The bedrock of successful dog training lies in mastering basic commands. Teaching your canine companion commands like sit, stay, down, or come plays an instrumental role in shaping their overall behavior. This introductory phase of obedience training is pivotal to establish good habits in your dog, but that's not all. It also goes a long way in strengthening the bond between both of you. With each command followed, you and your pet increasingly start to understand each other. This mutual comprehension leads to flourishing happiness and enviable health in your relationship. To do this training, follow these steps. Step 1. Start with the basics. First of all, always start with the basics. Begin with easy commands such as sit, stay, and come. Use a calm and clear voice when giving commands. Holding your dog's attention is key for this training. Step 2. Use positive reinforcement. Offer treats, praises, or favorite toys as rewards when your dog follows a command correctly. This encourages your pooch to repeat the behavior. Always remember, positive reinforcement helps make the training process smoother. Step 3. Train regularly. Consistency is key, so train regularly. A training session of 10-15 minutes twice a day works well for most dogs. Make sure you do sessions in a quiet environment to minimize distractions. Step 4. Be patient. Patience is your best friend when it comes to dog training. Some dogs may take longer to learn than others. If your dog doesn't understand a command, take a step back and try a simpler command. Remember, this is a bonding time for you and your pooch, so keep it enjoyable. Step 5. Gradually increase the difficulty. As your dog masters each command, gradually increase the level of difficulty. Start adding distractions or changing up the environment. This helps your pup to follow the commands in different situations. Step 6. Right training attitude. Maintain a calm and positive demeanor during training sessions. Your dog will pick up on your energy and mimicking it. Also, be open-minded and ready to adapt your training methods as you learn more about your dog's strengths and weaknesses. Remember, training your dog is not just about getting them to follow commands. It's about strengthening the bond between you two, enhancing communication, building trust, and making life more enjoyable. 2. Art of leash training. Contrary to popular belief, dogs aren't innately proficient in walking on leashes. Hence, it falls upon you to tutor them in it. This form of training is primarily aimed at keeping your beloved furry pal safe while ensuring their comfort during leashed periods. Walking your dog amidst people-strewn locations or crowded spots becomes worry-free and hassle-free with this training. You won't have to cope with constant leash tugging or an aimlessly wandering pet anymore. To do this training, follow these steps. Step 1. Getting used to the leash. First things first, your pup needs to become comfortable with the leash. You can begin by letting them sniff and explore it in a low-stress environment, like their favorite napping spot. Encourage their curiosity with positive reinforcement, such as a pat on the head or their favorite treat. Repeat this a couple of times a day, and soon your furry friend will associate the leash with good things. Step 2. Practice inside next. Attach the leash and let them walk around the house with it. Make sure you're supervising, though. We don't want them to get tangled up or into any mischief. Allow them to get used to the feel of the leash, and don't forget to praise them for staying calm and walking nicely by their side. Step 3. First steps outside. When your dog seems comfortable with the leash inside, it's time to venture outside. Start in a quiet, enclosed space like a backyard. Let your dog explore the area while attached to the leash. It's important to allow your pet some freedom, but always maintain control. Step 4. Direction and discipline. After your pup looks comfortable with the leash outdoors in a controlled space, it's time to start with direction. Begin with short walks, guiding your dog with gentle tugs on the leash and using commands such as heel or let's go. Reward good behavior with praise and treats to reinforce positive associations. Step 5. Gradually extend your journey. Each day, try to walk a little further, visit new areas, or encounter gentle distractions like joggers or other dogs. Increase the challenge step by step. always rewarding your pup for their good behavior. Step 6. Consistency and patience. Finally, remember that consistency is key and patience is paramount. Leash training doesn't happen overnight. It's a gradual process. If you encounter resistance, take a step back and simplify. Communicate with love and gentleness, and remember every step forward is a victory. Learning leash manners not only makes walks more enjoyable for you both, but it's also an important aspect of their safety. 3. Training for socialization. This constitutes the gradual introduction of your pup to as many fresh faces, newfangled places, and varied situations as achievable. The sooner you start this socialization regime, the better. What's the magnitude of this training? It's immense. It fosters sturdy groundwork for your pet's overall development and robust growth. Plus, it can be a sturdy deterrent to behavioral issues that may crop up later, such as aggression or dealing with unknown fears. To do this, follow these steps. Step 1. Start young. The best time to start socialization training is when your dog is a puppy. This is the age when they are most receptive to new experiences and can pick up habits quickly. If you've adopted an adult dog, don't worry. It's never too late to start. Step 2. Gradual introduction. Expose your dog to new dogs, people, and environments gradually. Don't force them into a situation where they may feel overwhelmed. Instead, allow them to approach new experiences at their own pace. Remember, patience is key. Step 3. Positive reinforcement. Make sure every new interaction is a positive experience. This can be achieved by giving treats, praises, or rewarding toys. Your dog will start associating new experiences with positive outcomes, making future encounters much easier. Step 4. Diverse experiences. Try to provide a varied array of experiences. Take them to different parks, introduce them to dogs and people of various shapes and sizes, expose them to different sounds, basically anything safe that can expand their comfort zone. Step 5. Regular interaction. Socialization isn't a one-and-done deal. The more consistently you expose your dog to different environments and experiences, the more comfortable they become. Regular trips to the local dog park or frequent visits with friends who have dogs can be extremely beneficial. Step 6. Ongoing training. Even after your dog seems well socialized, it's necessary to continue the training. Regularly reassessing their social skills and working on areas of improvement ensures that they remain confident and happy in various situations. Remember, every dog is different. What works for one might not work for another. It's crucial to stay flexible, patient, and positive. Celebrate small victories and be there to support your pup through challenging experiences. Soon, you will see them flourish into a sociable and balanced dog, ready to face the world with a wagging tail. Before going to the 4th training, unlock the secret door to exclusive content and join our inner circle by hitting that subscribe button. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the awesome adventures, mind-blowing insights, and laughter-filled moments that await. So go ahead, become a subscriber, and let's create memorable experiences together. 4. Potty training, the where and when lesson. One of the foremost and quintessential teachings for your new dog revolves around their potty manners, where and when your dog is supposed to do their business. These are crucial lessons to imbibe. Various strategies are up for grabs to accomplish successful potty training. But the strategies that truly turn the tide in your favor include consistency, patience, positive reinforcement, and a structured routine. To do this training, follow these steps. Step 1. Establish a routine. Dogs thrive on routine. Try to feed them at the same times each day and keep a consistent schedule for bathroom breaks. Puppies generally need to go out every hour, but once they reach about 6 months old, they can usually hold it for longer. Step 2. Choose a specific outdoor potty spot. To help your dog understand where they should be doing their business, always take them to the same spot outside. The scent will help them recognize this as their personal bathroom. Step 3. Use positive reinforcement. Every time your pup successfully uses their outdoor bathroom, throw a little celebration. Clap and cheer. Give them a treat or even a belly rub. Make sure they know they did a great job. Step 4. Be patient and consistent. Accidents are bound to happen. Instead of scolding your furry friend, clean up the mess and continue with the routine. It's crucial not to punish your dog for accidents. This can lead to anxiety and more accidents. Step 5. slowly increase the time between bathroom breaks. As your dog ages and becomes more comfortable with the routine, gradually increase the amount of time between outings. This will help your dog learn to hold it in until it's time to go outside. Remember, potty training takes time, patience, and lots of love. Just stay consistent, reward your pup's successes, and stay calm during setbacks. Before you know it, your puppy will be a potty-trained pro. 5. Crate training, a safe harbor. This form of training serves to create an enclave of safety and security for your dog. It's an invaluable tool for inculcating discipline, good behavior, and is mutually beneficial for both pet and pet parent for house training. Whether the crate's purpose pertains to house training, travel, or managing undesirable behaviors, it's essential your dog views the crate as a serene sanctuary, a place where they can kick back, relax, and enjoy some alone time. To do this, training follow these steps. Step 1. Choose the right crate. First of all, you need to pick the right crate for your dog. The crate should be big enough for them to turn around, stand up, and lie down comfortably, but not too big that they might use a corner as their bathroom. Different types of crates are available, including wire crates, plastic crates, and soft-sided crates. Select one based on your dog's size and your personal preference. Step 2. Make the crate welcoming. Make the crate inviting and comfortable for your dog. Place a soft blanket, a few toys, and treats inside the crate. This will help create a positive association with the crate. Remember, the crate should be a fun and safe space for your pooch, not a place for punishment. Step 3. Introduce the crate start by leaving the crate door open and letting your dog explore it at their own pace. Don't rush this process. Be patient and let them get used to it. You can encourage them by placing their favorite treats or toys inside the crate. Step 4. Feed meals in the crate. Start feeding your pet their regular meals near the crate. This will create a pleasant association with the crate. If your dog is comfortable, you can start feeding them inside the crate. This will show them that it's not a scary place. Step 5. Start crate training when you're home. Before leaving your dog alone in the crate, start with short crate sessions while you're home. Praise and reward them for staying calmly inside. Step 6. Crate training when you're away. Once your dog is comfortable staying in the crate while you're home, you can start leaving them there for short periods while you're away. Gradually increase the duration, but never for too long that they feel stressed or anxious. Step 7. Overnight crate training. The final step is to let your dog stay in the crate overnight. Placement is key. Keep the crate in your bedroom or a hallway nearby so you can hear your dog if they need to go out during the night. Remember, crate training is a gradual process and varies with each dog. It requires consistency, patience, and plenty of positive reinforcement. Be kind, generous with treats, and your dog will start loving their crate in no time. Do bear in mind every dog has their unique pace and approach to grasping these trainings. However, patience, consistency, and love remain the common denominators in all successful training. Commence with easy, manageable steps. Reward your dog for desired behavior and transform the entire process into an enjoyable, memory-making adventure for your furry friend. Thank you for being a part of our Pet Talk channel. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a little thumbs up and consider subscribing for more engaging content. Until we meet again, take care and have a pawsome day.